Lexi's all ready to go outside with her hat on. We're going to the post office. Lexi don't got no shoes on. How we forgot your shoes, Lex? No shoes. Look at Lexi. Lexi is being such a big girl. No crying. Alright, me and Lex are going in this big dollar store. Yay! We are in here, guys. We are going to buy Lexi something since she did so good at the post office.
Yeah, that's what Sherry did. She just put those $3 stickers on the front. Yep, I did. That's exactly what she did.
Hold on, guys. We got to get Lexi in here. Lexi and Gert. Oh, look at Lexi. Get your foot in here, boy. Uh-oh. Somebody was acting like they wanted to fall out a minute ago. Hope that doesn't happen. Hold on, guys. I gotta put her seatbelt on. Look at Lexi. Shopping. Oh, they don't have music on in here. It's great. They got Valentine's Day stuff out already. Wow, let's look at the Valentine's Day stuff. Excuse me. Look at the Valentine's Day stuff, guys. Oh, look how cute. Isn't till February, but oh my goodness, Lola would love those. Let's get 2 of those. See, I can't come in here, guys, because it ain't even Valentine's Day yet, right, Lex? But we're getting these. Oh, these are cute. They don't have no boys? Oh, they have Spider-Man. Let's get Spider-Man. They're going to have a little Valentine's party, too. Spider-Man. And, oh, they got Star Wars. Oh, look at this one. It comes with, like, little gifts. Pencil. Oh, comes with a little pencil. Those are cute. Oh, look at the stickers. Wow. Sorry. It's a doll.
Oh.
Let's see. What else they got? They haven't got no boys. Oh, princesses. All right. I think that's good enough. Okay. Oh, this stuff is so cute, guys. Look how cute. Now, you guys know I want this. I don't have none to put in that. You know, I have a problem. Oh my God. I have such a problem, guys. But I am changing my whole house to pink. Remember I was just telling you guys? So, this will be the start right here. Of the pink stuff. Don't ask me what I'm going to put in it, but I have no idea. Maybe it even candy, but I wanted to start doing pink. And why do some of them look dark pink and some of them look light pink, right? These look a little darker. Okay. Yeah, pink, pink, pink. Look how cute. Lexi, look how cute this cup is, Lex. Look, guys, look at Lexi. Look how cute that cup is for Lexi. We're gonna get Lex that cup. All right. We don't need any more stuff over here. I need to learn to walk away. I need to learn to walk away. Don't look. Wait, they got some more stuff on the other side. Let's go around this way. Oh my God, that sound is going to be in the video. Forgive me, guys. Forgive me for the sound. Oh, can't go that way yet. You can't go that way. Oh wow, you can't go any of these ways. This one. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Look how cute this hat set is. I love hats for them. Look at that. Alright. I want something for my door. Okay, we got folders, guys. Mommies always need folders. Oh, wow. And I never, ever can find folders, guys. We're getting some of these. All right, we're going to get some of these. We're going to get some of these. Dang, they never have folders. So, you got to get them when you see them. Oh, no, this one's not what I thought. This one is like a file folder. Well, no. Look, making up something, right? We checked out. Look at all this stuff. Oh, my gosh. All right, guys, we are at another dollar store because that dollar store did not have everything. Oh, look at Lexi in the front with Dee. Oh, Lexi. So we're at the other dollar store, guys, now because we couldn't find the toothbrush that Lexi wanted. Ooh, that door never works, huh? So now we're in here. Hold on, guys. Put Lex in. Okay. Uh-oh. Seatbelt thing is messed up. Hello.
How you doing?
Good. All right, guys, we got Lexi in here. Oh, look how cute, Lex. Oh, sorry. Look, Lexi. Look, oh, Lexi, look at the doggy. Lexi got a doggy. These are cute. Oh, the Valentine's Day stuff is cute. All right. Lexi loves her little doggy. Oh, wow. Now that's really, 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 really dramatic. Oh, look at Lexi. Lexi's been such a good girl. Look, we got some of this, guys, so when anybody buys babies, they're gonna have them wrapped in that for Valentine's. Oh.
Good.
Oh, here's the things we needed, Lex. Look, in here. It's in this one. See, we didn't need to come in here to get nothing. We did need those holders, though. Ooh. Okay. Oh, we found them. Lexi found it. And she wanted... Oh, we found it. Here they go. She wanted this one. Look, she wanted this one. Oh, we're going to get them Look, Blimpy. Flosses. Who else do they have that we don't have? This one. Oh, wow. We are ready for the snowstorm, guys. Right, Lex? Lex got her dog and her Pop-Tarts. So we're ready for the storm. Junk food.